My goodness, look at this. You can see the lightning over top the clouds, but if you look down here, there's a shelf cloud. It's dark. We're gonna get some wind out of this. Brace yourselves. Mostly a wind threat with these storms right now. But be prepared. Wow. Somebody's shooting fireworks too. Wow. Man, constant lightning out here. Wow. Oh. Wow. We weren't supposed to get anything like this until Tuesday, but it looks like we're getting it now. We need the rain though. Wow. 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 Well, I suppose I better. I just thought I should film this lightning real quick. Mother Nature's fireworks. Whoever's shooting fireworks better head in. It's not looking good. Be safe, everybody.